Here we are, a lovely Friday at the 256 garage. We got the old Dodge truck painted from the molding up. Trying to put the back glass in. Well, we roped the back glass in. Now we got this lovely chrome locking strip. And I do believe that is my arch nemesis, rival, arch rival, we'll put it that way. But you think we would break down and buy the tool as many as these things as we do, but we haven't. But if you'll angle it and put in one side under the lip, and then we got these little plastic tools we'll put under this side and just work up, it'll go down in there. It ain't easy and it's time consuming. Like I said, you'd think we'd break down and buy the tool, but we haven't. So that's one way to do it if you ain't got it.